My name is Pádraig Cosgrove. I'm Workforce and Resource Manager with O'Halloran and O'Brien. It's important for us to provide proper training to our staff so that they know how to use concrete on site and how to dispose of it properly. This system is better because it reuses the water used for washing out the skip. The weir system allows the heavy aggregates to be segregated, and the wastewater then goes into a tank and it can be reused for washing out the skip again. This system is very compact, so it doesn't take up a huge amount of room on site. The crane can drop the skip back on stand, unhook and go away doing another job, and the guys can finish off washing out the skip, so you're not bringing it to a separate washout area. I've been dealing with concrete washout for over 20 years on site, and the Conquip concrete washout system is by far the best method that I have seen to date.